Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to turn off Google SafeSearch if it's locked and you are unable to change it. So make sure to follow all the steps carefully. First of all, open Chrome browser on your phone. Tap on three dot option. Tap on settings. Tap on privacy and security. Scroll down. Tap on safe browsing. Select standard protection. Go back. Tap on use secure DNS. Tap on use your current service provider. Go back. Go to the settings. Tap on connections. Scroll down. Tap on more connection settings. Tap on private DNS. Select automatic. Tap on save. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.